Life, in its essence, is a constant struggle for survival. From the tiniest bacteria to the largest mammals, every living organism is locked in a perpetual battle against the elements, predators, and even its own kind. This struggle, driven by the need to survive and reproduce, is the very engine of evolution. At the heart of this struggle lies competition, a fundamental principle that governs the interactions between all living things. Food, water, shelter, and mates are all finite resources, and their limited availability creates an inevitable rivalry among those who need them. This competition, though often subtle and unseen, is a constant presence in the natural world. It plays out in the silent race for sunlight between towering trees in a dense forest, in the stealthy hunt of a predator stalking its prey, and in the fierce battles for territory between rival packs of wolves. This process of natural selection, driven by the forces of competition, is what has shaped the incredible diversity of life on Earth. The animal kingdom provides countless examples of competition shaping the behavior and evolution of species. Consider the African savanna, a stage for one of nature's most dramatic displays of competition. Here, lions and hyenas, two apex predators, engage in a constant struggle for dominance. Both species rely on similar prey, leading to fierce confrontations over carcasses and hunting grounds. This competition has driven the evolution of both species, shaping their physical prowess, hunting strategies, and social structures. In the lush rainforests of South America, a different kind of competition unfolds. The rainforest is home to a dazzling array of plant and animal life, all vying for limited sunlight, nutrients, and space. Plants have evolved elaborate climbing mechanisms and ingenious ways to disperse their seeds, while animals have developed unique camouflage, feeding specializations, and intricate communication systems to outmaneuver rivals and secure their place in the ecosystem. Even in the seemingly tranquil depths of the ocean, competition is a driving force. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, are teeming with life, and competition for space and resources is fierce. Humans, despite our sophisticated societies and technological advancements, are not exempt from the forces of competition that shape the natural world. Our evolutionary journey, from our early hominid ancestors to our present-day selves, has been profoundly influenced by competition, both within our species and with other inhabitants of our ancient environments. Early humans, living as hunter-gatherers, faced constant competition for resources. The ability to cooperate in hunting, to secure and defend territory, and to outwit rival bands would have been crucial for survival. As humans transitioned from nomadic hunter-gatherers to settled agricultural societies, the nature of competition shifted. With the advent of agriculture came the concepts of property, ownership, and social hierarchies. Competition for land, resources, and status became increasingly central to human societies. Section 4. The Mind of a Competitor. Insights from Harari, Dawkins, and Kahneman. To understand the profound impact of competition on human behavior and society, we can turn to the insights of renowned thinkers like Yuval Noah Harari, Richard Dawkins, and Daniel Kahneman. Harari, in his book, argues that our unique ability to cooperate in large numbers, fueled by shared myths and beliefs, has been the key to our species' dominance. However, he also highlights the darker side of this cooperation, noting that it often manifests as competition and conflict between groups, whether based on nations' ideologies or religions. Dawkins, an evolutionary biologist, explores the concept of the selfish gene in his seminal work. He argues that our genes, the units of heredity, are inherently selfish, programmed to replicate and ensure their survival. This selfishness at the genetic level, he posits, drives much of our behavior, including our competitive instincts, as we strive to succeed and pass on our genes to future generations. Kahneman, a psychologist and Nobel laureate, delves into the workings of the human mind in his book. Section 5. The Double-Edged Sword: Progress and its Price. Competition, while a powerful engine for progress, is not without its drawbacks. The relentless pursuit of success, wealth, and status can come at a cost, both to individuals and to society as a whole. The pressure to compete can lead to stress, anxiety, and a sense of inadequacy, while the pursuit of self-interest can erode social cohesion and exacerbate inequality. History is replete with examples of the destructive consequences of unchecked competition. Wars, conflicts, and social unrest are often fueled by competition for resources, power, and ideological dominance. The exploitation of natural resources, driven by economic competition, has led to environmental degradation and the depletion of vital ecosystems. Section 6. Beyond the zero-sum game, cooperation as a competitive strategy. Despite the potential downsides of competition, it is an inherent part of the human experience and a powerful force shaping our world. However, it is crucial to recognize that competition does not have to be a zero-sum game where one person's gain is inevitably another's loss. The scientific breakthroughs that have transformed our understanding of the universe, the technological innovations that have connected us across continents, and the artistic masterpieces that have inspired generations have all been fueled by a combination of competition and collaboration. The key lies in harnessing the power of competition in a way that fosters innovation, progress, and a sense of shared purpose. Section 7. Shaping our destiny, competition, and the future of humanity. As we stand at the cusp of a new era, shaped by rapid technological advancements, globalization, and unprecedented environmental challenges, the role of competition in our future remains a topic of great importance. The challenges we face, from climate change and resource